What's up, baby girl?
Josh Rocco.
Just because you're 11 doesn't mean we can't be together. Age is just a number, babe.
Okay, anyway, so it says 4x equals 8, and it's just who said you have to use log, but I did k-half.
Logs, that's the easiest part. Hold up. So it's 4 to the power of x equals 8. So what you gotta do is use 4 as the base of the log, separate x, and make it log 4, 8 equals x. What you're gonna do is divide log 8 by log 4. And
Wow.
you're gonna have to do that in your calculator.
Divide? Really?
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it. Just type it into your calculator. It's easy as snap.
As 1.5?
Yeah, so x equals 1.5. Oh, you said you need help on number 2?
Yeah,
I can help you out with
number
that
2
one a
too.
little bit as well.
Wow, I'm gonna get 100%.
I know you are, Kennedy.
Me, Josh. I'll be teaching Katie over here how to do this problem. Log 810, I think you can see it's the third one. Okay. What we're going to do here is we got to subtract 2 and log 8x from both sides. I'm so ugly.
Stop! Keep
Because
going, keep going.
chill, I'm doing it.
You chill.
So what you're gonna do here is get all the logs on one side and get the whole number on the other side. Then what you're gonna do is do everything to the power of 8 to eliminate the log 8. So what you're gonna get out of that is log 10.4 over 10 times 4 over x equals 64 over 1. Once you do that, which you got right here, you gotta cross multiply. Once you cross multiply, you will, in fact, come to the conclusion that x does, in fact, equal 2,560.
Guys, I just need help on number 4, and Josh is being annoying.
Oh, you need help on number 4?
See the word.
Oh, I got you, Katie. So, what you have here is,
Actually, Josh.
Kenny, that's what I meant. What you got here, woo, gotta get warmed up, gotta get pumped for math. Math is life. So, what you got here is...
Wait, Josh, I haven't even seen the problem yet.
Log 4. Log 4. 3x minus 4 equals 3. Baby.
That sounds like a bunch of numbers. Please explain.
So, little girl, what you gotta do here is you gotta put base 4 to both sides. You gotta go, since it's log 4, you gotta put both sides to the power of 4. Or have the base 4. So, to get rid of the log, you go 4 to the power of 3 equals 81. Wait, no. 64. Right? Is it 64?
Yes. Mathematically challenged.
Okay, 3x minus 4 equals 64.
Okay.
Then all you gotta do is add 4 to both sides to balance the equation. Then you get 3x equals 68.
And then you divide 3 on both sides, and you get x equals some decimal, which
hold up.
is
One
what?
second,
Do
one
it.
second.
Do it on calc. Do it on calc.
I don't have a calc. I'll do it on the phone. Calc on the phone. Calc on the phone. 68 divided by
3.
3 equals, drum roll please, 22.66667! Woo! Let's go, baby!
Josh, right now, Josh, we gotta do this right now. Log 5x plus log times x minus 1 equals 2.
What about the other one?
Too breezy.
This is number 5. One step at a time, Kate. One step at a time.
What did I do before?
So,
Josh, I can't talk to you without your glasses on.
where did I even put that?
You blind me with your face.
Oh my, that ugly. Wow.
Just kidding, Josh. Hurry, Josh. We're under time over here, Josh. Josh. Right now. No days off, Josh. No days off.
Yeah, hold up. Alright. So what you're gonna do here is, wow, would you look at this? Wow, this is actually quite easy if you know the principles. What you're gonna have to do here is cancel out the logs. How you can do that is, since there's no number next to the log, you have to assume it's 10. So, what you're gonna do here is multiply 10. Or put 10 as the base for right here, and right here, as you can see. The 2 in both of these logs. Okay. Then what you're gonna get is 5x plus x minus 1 equals 100. Then what you're gonna have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is subtract 100 from both sides. After that, you're gonna get 5 times 5x squared minus 5x minus 100 equals 0, leading to x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0.
Because you divide by 5.
Because you divide by 5 from both sides. Then what you're gonna have to do is factor. How do you factor? X minus 5, x plus 4.
Oh, Kennedy, what's wrong?
I have the Josh disease.
What's that?
when you become extremely annoying, unattractive, and unintelligent. He's infected me and 5 other of my friends. Kate, that's 6 people. I'm unattractive. I need to hide my face. I wonder how long it'll take for him to infect the whole town of 70,000 people if he infects 6 of us every day. Kate, do you know how to figure that out?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Help. I need to warn everyone. Help.
Okay. So, what you do is you make the equation 70,000 because that's the amount of people in the town equals 7D because Josh infects 6 other people, so 1 plus 6 is 7. So then you do log 7, 70,000 equals D. So then you divide log 70,000 divided by log 7 to get the amount of days, and that equals approximately 6 days.
I have to warn everyone. We have to kill Josh. Josh! Josh!
Stop.
Kate, what's wrong?
Got a headache from Josh beating me up.
Josh, why would you throw a ball at her? That's terrible.
She hit me first.
Anyway, this isn't okay. So, Kate, how many tabs are you gonna take of that?
2.
Okay, so
Only 2? Psh, weak.
anyway, so since there's 400 milligrams in 2 of them, and you gotta get to volleyball, so you don't want to be all woozy and doozy at volleyball.
Yeah.
And it's a half-life, so it wears off every 2 hours. Half of it wears off. We want to see how long
I
it
need
takes.
ibuprofen now.
How long it would take for 100 milligrams to until it got to 100 milligrams.
So that's when it wears off at 100 milligrams?
Yeah, like it's basically like out of your system, but it's 100 milligrams. So let's see how long it takes.
Okay.
So basically, I did 800. Isn't it 800 times half?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
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 And then t divided by 2 because time over 2, which is 1 over 2 because it's 2 hours.
Exactly.
So
That's where the 2 comes from, the 2
exactly.
hours.
So 100 over 800 because that's 100 milligrams out of 800 because at 100 it wears off equals 800 times half t over 2. And then you reduce 100 over 800 to 1/8. You get 1/8 equals half times 2, right?
Okay.
Times t. And then you get 0.125 equals 0.25.
Okay.
As seen here.
So,
Equals t. So then
what does that mean for
basically,
Katie?
Kate, after you do log, because logarithms, you do 0.125, log 0.125 divided by log 0.25 equals t. And then you get, in 1.5 hours, Kate, your thing will reduce to 100 milligrams, but I don't think that'll be enough for you to go to practice.
Shoot.
Aw, dang it. Alright,
Yeah.
cut.
Okay, so me and Kennedy had to buy Josh repellent for $50, so we stole his credit card. And his credit card has a 16% APR interest compound monthly, and 10 years later, we got a bill saying we needed to pay it off. So first you have to set up the equation A equals P, parentheses 1 plus R over 12 raised to the M, and you plug in the numbers. 50 for P because that was the initial payment, and then you do 1 plus 16 over 12. You change the 16% to 0.16, and then you do that, and then you do 10 times 12 because it was 10 years later, and then it was monthly, and then you get $245.05.
Hey, what's up? I'm Tyga.
Kylie.
It's my girlfriend Kylie Jenner and my child Quintavious. He on the way. 6 months right here. So, your boy over here, 26, but I like him young. My girl, she's 17. She's not legal yet, but cool with me, So, if I'm 26, according to this romance cone that we have, what we gotta do, we gotta get half my age. 26 divided by 2 is 9, right?
No,
What is it?
13.
Oh, okay, for sure. So 26 divided by 2, 13. Plus 7 is
21. 20.
Nah, it's 20. Definitely 20. So that means that
the youngest girl that I could date would be 20 years old, and my girl 17. So the romance cone says no. What about you?
Okay, so for me, I have to double my age, which is 17, and that's, what is that?
34.
Okay, 34, and then I have to subtract that by 14, which is, do you know it, babe?
20.
Which is 20. Which means that I'm not in the acceptable range.
So that means for her, the oldest dude that she could date would probably be around 20 years old. And the youngest, 17 divided by 2, that is 8.5 plus 7 would be 15 and a half. So she dating a 26-year-old man, and she could be dating a 15-and-a-half-year-old man. And the oldest she should be dating is about 20 years old. Alright.